Towering through the icy winds of the Ice Age, the woolly mammoth was one of the most majestic creatures to ever walk the frozen lands of the prehistoric world. In this video, we'll explore how this giant lived, what made it unique, and why it's still one of the most iconic animals from the past. Section 1. Introduction and Time Period. The woolly mammoth, known scientifically as Mammuthus primigenius, lived during the Pleistocene epoch, roughly 400,000 to 4,000 years ago. These animals roamed the vast icy landscapes of Europe, North America, and Northern Asia, during a time when much of the planet was covered in glaciers and snow. Section 2. Physical characteristics. The woolly mammoth looked much like today's elephants, but with some key differences. It had a thick coat of shaggy hair to protect it from freezing temperatures, dense layer of fat up to 4 inches thick beneath its skin, long curved tusks, which could grow over 15 feet, 4.5 meters, a large, dome-shaped head, and a hump of fat on its back for energy storage. Small ears and short tail helped reduce heat loss, perfect adaptations for life in the cold. Section 3. Diet and lifestyle. Woolly mammoths were herbivores. Their diet included grasses, shrubs, morsels, and tree bark. They used their long trunks to grab vegetation, and their tusks to dig through snow to find food. Mammoths lived in herds, similar to modern elephants. These groups were led by females, and provided protection, warmth, and guidance for young calves. Section 4. Behavior and intelligence. Like elephants today, woolly mammoths were highly intelligent animals. They communicated with low-frequency sounds, had strong memories, and likely experienced emotions such as grief and loyalty. They were social, nurturing, and taught their young how to find food, migrate, and avoid danger. Section 5. Extinction and legacy. Most woolly mammoths went extinct about 10,000 years ago, likely due to a combination of climate change and overhunting by humans. However, small populations survived on isolated islands like Wrangel Island in the Arctic Ocean until around 4,000 years ago. Today, frozen mammoth remains are still being discovered in Siberian permafrost, some so well preserved that scientists have recovered skin, hair, and even DNA. Section 6. Could mammoths come back? With advances in genetics, some scientists are now exploring the possibility of cloning the woolly mammoth or creating a hybrid with Asian elephants. This raises ethical and ecological questions, but the science is advancing fast. Could the mammoth walk the earth again? Time will tell. The woolly mammoth was more than just a symbol of the Ice Age. It was a survivor, a giant of the cold, and a cousin of today's elephants. Though it vanished from the earth thousands of years ago, it still lives on in legends, fossils, and perhaps one day in the real world. Once again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible journeys into the past. Until next time, stay curious.